My name is Colin Thackery and I'm resident here at the Royal Hospital, Chelsea. I joined the army at 15 into the Royal Artillery and stayed for 25 years. I came from a broken home, so the army was everything to me. Mother, father, sister and brother. It also enabled me to meet my wife up in County Durham when I was posted up there after having been to Malaya in 1949. And it was a fortunate meeting because she remained my wife for 66 years. And it wasn't until she passed away that I decided to come in here. And this is probably the best old folks home in the world. Tommy ought to be supported by everybody. I was interested to hear that Lord Gunnery had made the initial appeal, and I think he's very much involved himself. I am involved in that I collect, and I think it's a very, very good thing to be in support of.